What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is a DIY video on how I made this table stand for my bathroom using inexpensive products. So if you want to see how I did that, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, I'm super excited to be doing this DIY video. And to start this off, I have picked up this 4-shelf storage unit from Walmart for $15. And I'm going to put this together to build my table stand. So let's get started. So I'm just going to start by putting this stand together. It's really simple. It only takes less than, like I say, 2 to 3 minutes depending on. But basically you're going to take the little tubes and stick them in the holes, which you'll see me do here shortly. And once you get all 4 of them in, you will go on and stick a tabletop on top. Well, a shelf on top, and that will be that. Super easy and super quick. Anybody can do it. Anybody. So as you see, I'm grabbing the little shelf. I'm just going to put that on top. And this is a 4-tier storage shelf unit, but it'll be too big for my bathroom and what I'm trying to do, so I'm only going to use 3 of the shelves. So as you can see, this is the finished shelf, and I'm only using 3 of them. But now I'm going to spray paint it, and I'm spray painting it gold with the Rust-Oleum Bright Coat metallic gold spray paint. Very easy, very simple. Let it sit out and dry. Super cute. And to finish it off, to cover those holes, I am going to use these table tennis balls that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to spray paint them gold, and that will finish off my table. Okay, for our next project that we are going to do, which is my mirror tray, I got this plastic tray from the dollar store and 2 of their framed mirrors, and I'm going to use some E6000 glue to put it all together. So I'm going to start by separating the mirrors from these frames. So I'll let the music play while y'all watch me do that. So I just spray painted the basket with the Rust-Oleum Bright Coat metallic finish spray paint in gold, so it'll match my bathroom. Super cute. And then I'm going to take the mirrors and kind of play around and make sure that they're going to fit properly. And next I'm going to take my E6000 glue and put that on the back of the mirrors and glue them to the tray. This is pretty self-explanatory, so I'll go on and let you watch me do this. Now I'm just going to stick the mirror on and do the same thing to the second mirror. And yeah, super easy and cheap, and you'll have something really, really cute in the end. So now that I got the mirrors glued on, I'm going to take some books and set them on top so that way it'll add some weight, and let that sit and dry, and it'll be ready in a couple hours for me to use. For this next project, you're going to need a 3-compartment party tray. And I picked up some succulent clips as well from the dollar store and some of their rocks. And I picked up this marble tile from Lowe's, which was 99 cents. So we're gonna go on and get started with doing this project. First step is I spray painted my 3-compartment party tray with the Rust-Oleum Bright Coat Metallic Finish Spray Paint in gold. Next, I will be taking the rocks from the Dollar Tree and pouring them in the tray. And try to, I had to get 2 bags because look, I ran out. So I'm gonna get the second bag and go on and finish pouring these rocks and making it even. So now I'm going to take my succulent clips and I'm just going to put them in the rocks, and I'm going to cover the clips so you can't tell that they are clips. Now that's all done, we're going to move on to the next step, and that is utilizing our marble tile. So I got this from Lowe's for 99 cents, and basically what I did is I went on and I painted it gold with gold glitter from this paint that I got from Walmart, which I actually already had on hand, which is like $1.50 or a little bit less. And yeah, I just painted some gold glitter so that way it will finish it off and make it, look nice and pretty. And I just did it on the 2 sides and the front because you're not going to see the back. So super easy. So now all we do is take our little flower tray thing we just made and set that on top. And we're going to put that on top of our bathroom stand, which will finish it off and make it look really, really cute. So as you see how I made the table and everything in the glass mirror, I actually got this love sign from the dollar store, and it was actually already this color, so I didn't have to spray paint it or anything. And then I got one of these magazine holders from the Dollar Tree. It was actually gray, and I spray painted it gold. And you know, those are just some washcloths in there, just so if I have any company, they can utilize that. And then this love sign, it says love yourself, I got from the Dollar Tree as well. This plant came from Big Lots. It was $6, so that's like pretty much the most expensive thing on this table that I made, on the stand. And as you see, the little mirror tray that I made, and you can't even tell that I glued 2 mirrors together, so it's really nice, and it's cute, and it's just really simple. Really pleased with this little table in my guest bathroom. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a DIY video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.